widespread and gross human rights violations committed in Belarus. The report draws on the detailed analysis of 207 interviews conducted in 2022 with victims and witnesses as well as other stakeholders. Our office collected, preserved and analyzed over 2,500 items of information and evidence according to our established methodology. We found the unlawful deaths of at least 5 persons in the context of the 2020 protests. Consistent with our previous findings of widespread, unnecessary and disproportionate use of force, we further assessed that crowd control equipment and weapons were unnecessarily used to forcibly disperse protests in Minsk, at least until November of 2020. Were not provided with necessary medical assistance. OHCHR documented over 100 cases of sexual and gender-based violence involving at least 4 boys, 36 women and 60 men, and reviewed over 180 additionally credible documented cases. The report recounts cases of rape, attempted rape and threats of rape, strip searches, cavity searches and forced nudity. Sexual and gender-based violence was also often directed by men towards men. Over the past 2.5 years, authorities in Belarus have arbitrarily arrested and detained. In 2023, such sentences included those handed down following separate trials of opposition leaders Svetlana Tsikhanouskaya and Pavel Latushko, 4 Vyasna human rights defenders, including Nobel Peace Prize laureate Ales Bialyatski, numerous independent trade unions, including the acting chairperson. The authorities intensified their massive crackdown on members of civil society, the media and political opposition for exercising their rights to freedom of expression, peaceful assembly and association. As of 21 March 2023, this year, no fewer than 1,459 persons were arbitrarily detained on what OHCHR has reasonable grounds, again, to believe to be politically motivated charges.
Беларусь живет и развивается вопреки давлению и истерии, нагнетаемой рядом западных стран и так называемой экспертизой УВКПЧ, которая вот уже который год формируют ангажированные доклады о моей стране, один из которых представлен сегодня. И авторы таких докладов, и инициаторы
so-called extremism charges as of February of this year, including grossly violating public order, insulting the president.
И инициаторы антибелорусских резолюций в Совете по правам человека.
Most independent Belarusian media outlets have been declared extreme.